It's been over 2 weeks of constant cleanup for one Billings West End woman after floodwaters destroyed nearly everything she owns.
Right now, I'm numb and in shock.
At 84 years old, Tina Oxley has worked hard for everything she has on her 2 acres of land.
This first time I've been in.
She has her home, a store full of antiques from around the world, a rental property, and even storage units.
I lost everything. Everything.
Record rainfall at the beginning of June led to major flooding throughout the city and to Oxley's livelihood being washed away. She estimates over $400,000 were lost, everything from her antiques to her rental property that she was just about to sell.
That was my income and my Social Security. Now that's gone.
Oxley's son Jack Cooksey lives in Colorado but has been helping his mother attempt to clean up for the last 2 weeks. He says it's been a roller coaster of emotions.
Total defeat to maybe there's some hope to, just sitting down and crying, a lot of that.
I don't know what to do with all this now. I don't have the strength. I don't have the youth. I don't have the health. I can't deal with any of that anymore.
She only sees one option as a solution to her loss.
For people to buy everything I have. That's it. And whatever I get, that will help me.
Antiques from around the world covered in mud and an 84-year-old just trying to move on with her life after it's been underwater.
This is what I'm at. Destroyed. Destroyed. I don't know what to do anymore.
In Billings, Haley Monaco, MTN News.